My name is Sandy Hogan, and I am excited to share with you today why smiles are contagious and why we should all be smiling more. As a matter of fact, if you're not smiling already, I'm going to guess that you have one of three issues going on. One, you may have nerve damage to your face. Or two, you may went a little overboard with your last Botox treatment and you can no longer form a smile on your face. Or three, like Angelina Jolie, you have a condition called Bell's palsy. So why are smiles contagious? Well, let's discuss this. I have listed several reasons here. However, I will be sharing them one by one. So let's get started with our brains. Our brains are beneficial when we smile. The reason being is that smiling releases three different hormones in our brains, or endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine. So we will start with discussing our endorphins. Endorphins, otherwise known as the happy hormone, are responsible for our feelings of excitement. We release endorphins when we're doing different activities such as exercise, dancing, eating hot peppers, and you might even get an endorphin high. Dopamine is the second hormone released. It goes to the pleasure center of our brain. It gives us euphoria, it's our reward system, but it also contributes to addiction. And then the third would be serotonin. It's a chemical that when released has many functions such as helping us stay focused, reducing anxiety. It helps us control our appetite, to sleep better, and also to regulate our body temperature. Now, smiling also activates sensory motor stimulation. Sensory motor stimulation allows us to interpret another person's facial expression so we can assess how they are feeling and adapt our response accordingly. Empathy is also connected with our sensory motor stimulation and the ability to connect with others' facial expressions in communicating with them. Have you ever heard the saying, empathy goes a long way? It's true. Mimicry also is something that we do as a natural physical response. Smiling would be part of that. We mimic each other when we smile. And it is contagious from a physical standpoint. Animals even smile. They smile too. So if you ever noticed, animals mimic and try to make the same facial expressions as their owners. So you should smile at your dog more. He will smile back at you. Social enjoyment goes along with smiling, makes us in a happier mood in general. So when we smile at other people, they smile back, which makes everyone around you in a happier mood, and it's contagious. Emotion recognition goes with people feed off of your energy. So when you smile at somebody else and they see that positive energy, they will reflect that and mirror that back to you. It's a natural response. Now, social health and well-being is something that we get when we are smiling at others. It is a social thing. It's a social response that people will deliver right back to you. And beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Basically, what that means is when you smile, you look more attractive to other people. So why wouldn't you smile, especially if you're trying to catch a mate? Now, there are statistics that prove when you smile more, you will actually live longer. Look at these people. Look, they're all smiling, they're all happy, and they're all old. So they're living longer because of smiling. And activity along with that, when you smile and you're having fun, that also promotes you living a longer life. So, if you want to live a long life, smile more, because the world needs more smiles. And if you can give just a simple smile every day, then you will live longer, you will be healthier, you will be happier, and you will be promoting more smiles and happiness to the world. Now, we all know that we're all unique and individual, and that your smile is unique to you. So use it every single day, share it with other people, because smiling is contagious. And why shouldn't you smile more and make it contagious in the world?